to Gordon Guitar. We have Yellow Days here with a song called Soul Smile. A cool, laid-back song. Reminds me and breathes a lot in the same way as a classic Marvin Gaye song. If you can figure out which song I'm thinking of. Yeah, anyway, this is Soul Smile. Great song. 4 chords that goes in the same order through the entire song and pretty easy strumming pattern. So let's start with the chords. No need for any cape on this one. We're going clean and we'll start with the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. The next chord will be B minor 7. It's a bar chord, so you place a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. That means all strings except from this last E here in the bass. All right, so on 2nd fret, and then the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. Then we have a G6 chord. Okay, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd on B, and open E. All right, so that makes it the 6th G6 chord. All right, and the final chord will be D major 7. So what you do here, you just place a bar. That's what I do on the 2nd fret from the G string and down. So that means that 3 strings from bottom up like this. 1, 2, 3. Place a bar there, and then you also include the open D string. Oh, sorry, bad sound there. So open D, and then 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd E. That's D major 7. So that's the order. They come in A, B minor 7, G6, and D major. All right, so here we will have to think pair of chords. So A and B minor will pair up together and be one strumming pattern. Strumming around, and then G and the D will pair up together. So we'll look at the transition here from A to the B minor. All right, so we have the A here will be the part 1 from the strumming pattern. So the part 1 will be down, up, clap. So that's it. So down, up, clap. Pretty easy. And that's it. And then you shift chord to the B minor 7 and play the part 2. And the part 2 will be down, up, clap, up. So that is, again, down, and then a short pause there, and then up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. So if we take that together, A to the B minor 7, it will be down, up, clap, down, up, clap, up. And then you apply the same principle for the chords G to the D major. So G you play in the same way as A, the part 1, and then the D major in the same way as the B minor, the part 2. So the G, down, up, clap, and then the D major, down, up, clap, up. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you play that for a couple rounds, it will sound hopefully like this. Yeah. All right, so have fun with it, guys. Yellow Days, Soul Smile. Play tuned.